So the views of children really matter. Hearing the voice of a child, hearing their perspective is quite different from delegating a decision to them. So the need to hear a child's views is enshrined in law in the UN Convention on the Rights of the Child. So in any proceedings that go before an English court, the way that's dealt with is that a CAFCAS officer, who's normally a former social worker, would normally speak to the child involved and report back to the court about their views. But obviously for many, many parents who don't end up in court and have no intention of going there, they'd still like an opportunity to understand how they can get their children's perspectives and get their children involved in the decisions which are going to affect their children more than anybody else. For some people that comes easily, for others it can be harder, particularly if the two co-parents have really different perspectives about what the right outcome should be. And again, that's super normal if that's the case for you. I guess the key thing to know is this isn't a legal question, and this isn't one really that a lawyer should be helping you with, but there are some great co-parenting experts out there who can offer child inclusive services, or just have a one-off meeting with the two of you to talk about the best way really to canvass your children's views so they feel involved in decisions which affect them, but not responsible for making those decisions which ultimately need to be their parents' choices for them. So it's about relieving children from the burden of making a choice, but still ensuring that they're heard. If you do find yourself in that situation and you want tips or recommendations for co-parenting experts, there are so many brilliant ones out there. So please do DM us and we can send you a whole selection if that helps.